Hey, yo, what it do? We are making a sustain today, but we're doing it a little differently. We're using Vital, the free VST, and we're using a dope preset pack called Future Riddim, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of tricks so that we can make your presets awesome and ready for the tear out thing. I'll show you what we got so far. Ooh, okay. So we're basically focusing on Vital 4 here. Sounds like this. And we have two different sections. We have this one at C, which looks like that, C3, and then this one at D, which is the root note. If you guys want to get this preset pack, it will be in the description. And also, if you want the full project, that'll be in my Patreon as well. If you guys want to actually get all these basses and see how I made the drop and everything. What we're using here is the Kilohearts pitch shifter to pitch it up. We're using this auto pan to make it like vibrato-y and wavy. We also changed the preset a little bit. Originally, the preset was this wavetable, water razor, and I changed them to the right to go to aftermath, just to add like a lower tone. And then we also went to this LFO2. Keep in mind, this is the kinetic preset. It's in the BLA Machinima Kinetic Future Riddim. This LFO2, if you see here, it has all these little shark fins. And you can actually move the frequency to change the way it sounds. So I'm going to disable this real quick. Now you can mess with the actual speed of these to change the sound, or you can mess with your wavetables to change the sound. I also mess with the reverb over here so that we can add our own reverb if needed, but in this case we just left a little bit. So this bass is basically just a bass that's being sustained with no pitch. So what we want to do basically is add some pitch automation. So with the pitch shifter here, you can open it up, go to pitch, right click, show automation, and we can pitch it up from 50 to 75. Give it a nice pitch up. That pitch will make a big difference. In the next section, we use the auto pan to actually make it wavy, but we actually automate the amount like this. So in this section, we have more waves, this section less. I'm going to combine that with the pitch. It almost sounds like a brand new bass. You see, I'm mixing them through. I'm turning them off. Basically, when the snare hits right here, I turn it off so it's clean. In this section, I automate the on-off. So when the downbeat plays, you don't hear it, but then it starts playing. So these are on and off automations to make things clean it up, add to the rhythm of the song. But remember, when you have one of these, you want to be looking for something that is sustained, not like a chop. If it is chopped, then you can use this frequency down here to actually change the speed and make it long. So you can make a sustain, and then you can go ahead and pitch it up with the pitch shifter to start making your own unique bass. Don't forget to use your EQ to clean things up, and yeah, you'll be good to go. That's how you make a sustain. You find the tone that you need, and you go ahead and add some extra effects to make it spicy. Remember, this VST Vital is free, so you guys can go ahead and get that download. If you want the preset pack that I was using here, That's in the description too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for everything. Have a good night. Peace out.